Today we are discussing about the SI unit of energy. At last part we discussed the definition of energy and definition of force and definition of work and SI unit. These three we will discuss. Now what is that SI unit of energy? What is the SI unit of energy? SI unit of energy is joules. SI unit of energy is joule. SI unit of energy is joule. And serious unit of energy is that calorie. Serious unit of energy is calorie and SI unit of energy is joules. Now I tell one formula. Now 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories and then 2 joules is equals to 8.4 calories. 3 joules is equals to 12.6 calories. 4 joules is equals to 16.8 calories. 5 joules is equals to 20.10 calorie or 2.1 calorie. This is a table we should need to learn. 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories. 2 joules is equals to 8.4 calories. 3 joules is equals to 12.6 calories. 4 joule is equals to 16.8 calories. And last and final 5 joules is equals to 20.1 calorie. This is a formula and definition is the SI unit of the energy is joule. The SI unit of energy is joule. Symbol J. What is the SI unit of joule? What is the SI unit of energy? Joule. And next one is and by the way the CGS units of energy is calorie. Calorie spelling is this CALORIE. Calorie. Symbol is CAL. Calorie. I tell the table then only, that is 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories. Not exactly 4.2. Nearly 4.2 calories. Nearly 4.2 calories. Then 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories. Now I take 40.2 calories of energy. Means how much joules that is? Means we should divide that will be in calorie. We should divide with the 4.2 calories. That will be in joules. Means joule means 10 joules. We should multiply with calories and divided by with 40.2 calories. How much joules it is? Means 40.2 divided by 4.2 means 4.2 means this here to does not cancel. In physics I create a method to solve this one. First, what is this? This is the decimal part. Decimal part. This is decimal part. This is numerical part. This is numerical part. Now we separate numerical part to numerical part. 40 by 4 and decimal part to decimal part. 2 by 2. Now first cancel this. 4 1s are 4 10s are means 10. 2 1s are 2 1s are means 1. Means 10 by 1 is what? 10 only. Means 40.2 calories means 10 joules. And we don't expect, all members will expect these questions will come in normal joules only. Means the requiring joule is not in numbers. That will be come in decimal signs. For example, I take 42.6 calories of energy. Convert into this joules. Means divided with 4.2 calories. Calories cancel. Divide 42 by 4, 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Next 21s are 2s are 2s are. Means 2 1s are 2 10s are. 1 will be gap. Put point and put 0 here. 5s are cancel. Means 10.5 by 3. 10.5 by 3 means this point came down means 105 means this point came down means here one place only means one decimal and 1 0 into you put 3's means 105 by 30. 3 10s are 30. Then cancel. 15 2s are 7s are. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 1 0 point is equals to 3.5 joules. Means 3.5 3.5 joules. 3.5 joules. Next one is SI unit of energy we complete and SI unit of force. Now SI unit of force. SI unit of force. What is SI unit of force? When you will push the car, you put some amount of the force. Some amount of force. To calculate the particular amount of force, to calculate the particular amount of force, we want to some symbol. How like distance is meter, centimeter, kilometer, these three mainly, and millimeter. These three, except meter, these three is the serious units. This is a SI unit. And like that only, force have one SI unit. That is called as Newton. Newton means I push the car. I put 40 newtons of force. I put 40 newtons of force. Is called as the SI unit of force. Definition. No. The SI unit of force is Newton. Symbol as N, capital N. The SI unit of force is Newton. But what is the serious unit? Force doesn't have the serious units. Force have only SI unit and one unit, that is Newton. Now, what is the SI unit of work? SI unit of work. SI unit of work is equal to SI unit of energy. Means energy's SI unit is joule. And that only works SI units. That only work SI unit. Means force. How do we calculate work? I will tell one formula for the work. Work is equals to force into distance. Means we calculate in the physical quantities, densities, SI unit also this type. This is a formula. No. But what is SI unit? SI unit of work. To calculate the densities, SI unit, we take what? We take the mass SI unit and volumes SI unit. In that way only, here we would calculate this works SI unit. Force SI unit I told. What is that? Newton. Distance SI unit is meter. Multiply them, that is joule. Means 1 joule is equals to, again one formula, 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 20 joules is equals to 10 newtons into 2 meters. When I push the cycle like this, I put the force 10 newtons. 10 newtons. And I move that cycle to 2 meters for 2 meters. Then my energy used and work is 20 joules. Means we should do one thing. We calculate work as joule and energy as calorie. Energy as calorie means 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories. Here 20 joules. 20 joules means 1 joule is equals to 4.2 calories and 20 joules is equals to how much? 4.2 into 20 joules by 1 joule into 1 calorie. Calorie cancel, joule cancel, and then 20 into 40. In into also we divide numerical part and decimal part. No, numerical part and decimal part. Here point 0. 0 2s are 0. 24s are 80. That's wrong. We should, that method only we do. 4s are 20 and is equals to 42 into 20 by this point have one place only, means that is 10. 10 1 jar, 10 2 jar, 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, means that is 84 calorie. In division not like that. In multiplication not like that. Now 20 into 2 and 20 into 4 and 20 into 2. This 2 is the decimal part in which the tens means we cut here tens part, means that is 1. 2 to the 4 and next 24 are 80. 80 plus 4 84. This is the 84 calorie. I used 84 calorie of energy and 20 joules of work. This is the definitions of SI unit of energy, force and the work. In between we and next is types of energy. In this energy part, types is different and parts is different. Parts is 2, types is 8. Parts is 2, types is 8. First we will discuss about the parts. The two types of parts is potential energy and kinetic energy. This is the two parts of the energy. One is potential energy and second is kinetic energy. Now, definition of potential energy. Now, potential energy. A potential energy is possessed by a body is at rest. A body is at rest means I tell in the motion the body is at rest means that will be not move. For example, rest only, same position. Rest means, in this chapter, rest means same position. When I took the hammer, I put this position and this is the wood and this is the nail and this is a nail. When I will back and put, I will this hammer take back and put force and kick to this nail. That nail goes to inside of the wood. When I back and put energy, that energy is called as potential energy. That energy is called as potential energy. This is the wood. This is the nail. Nail. Nail means not this nails. Nail means that this one. So, nail means that one. This is the explanation of the potential energy. Potential energy is a part of energy is that is possessed by when the body is at rest and doing work, then the potential energy possessed. The short form of potential energy is PE or P. Means the potential energy is energy that possessed by when the body is at rest and doing a work, then the potential energy possessed. The short form of potential energy is PE or P. These two are the short forms of the potential energy. Now, kinetic energy. Now, potential and kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. When we kick the hammer, when we hit the nail with the hammer, the nail will goes down. The hammer will comes to same position and hit in same position. This is called as the potential energy. Then, what is the kinetic energy? Potential energy and kinetic energy is opposite to each other. Then, what is kinetic energy? That means the potential energy is in rest. Rest energy. Potential is rest energy. Means opposite of rest is opposite of potential energy. Then rest opposite is motion. Potential energy opposite is kinetic. Means kinetic energy is energy that is energy when possessed by the body is in motion. Means when we throw the rock to the window, the rock will at square. That rock will act square type rock. That will be, when I throw, that rock will be gone this position only, or rounded and this position, rounded position means that energy possessed, that is moving means the rock is moving in middle. Moving means move means motion, and energy is possessing and breaking the window. This is called as the kinetic energy. And definition of the, now we read the definition of the kinetic energy. Now, the kinetic energy is the energy that possessed by when a body is in motion. The kinetic energy is a energy that is possessed by when the body is in movement, is called motion or movement. Then the kinetic energy will produced, and short form of kinetic energy is Ke or K. This is called as kinetic energy. Now, next part is types of energy. Now, types of energy. There is 8 types. Before we go into the types of energy, we want to learn 2 formulas. Here, potential energy. What is the potential energy? Potential energy mgh. Formula is potential energy is equal to mass into grams into height. Next, kinetic energy is 1/2 of mass into volume square. This is the formulas of the kinetic energy. Now, today's video is this. Third part is types of energy full. Types of energy full is the next part. I told you before only, ask doubts in the phone number of 84997996827. In all days, after 4:30 to night 9:30. 4:30 to night 9:30. 4:30 to night 9:30 is the timings to call. Sunday to this phone number all. Again this phone number 9010633235. In Sundays also not this number. Only this number. Sundays is 7 to night 9:30. 7 to night 9:30. Anytime call. Today is this video please like, share and subscribe. We are near to 5 subscribers. Please, only 2 subscribers to 5 subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe. Doubt is in the phone number. Goodbye.